Increase penis size naturally. If you are a woman reading this, you probably won't understand why men want to increase penis size, and you will insist that size doesn't matter, but we all know that it does. Some of you may argue that a large penis does not guarantee a good time in bed, but then again, we all know that it does. If you are a man reading this, you will beg to differ because you feel that if you had a large penis, you would be able to get those good-looking women you see at the beach. Apart from that, you also want to increase penis size because your friends all compare their sizes and you always feel too ashamed to tell them that yours is less than 6 inches long. This is when you will turn to the internet for help and all the information that will tell you to either go under the knife or use certain products. Increase penis size. Benefits. Apart from increased self-confidence, your performance in the bedroom will get better because your libido will get stronger when you increase penis size. You will be able to increase the length of your penis as well as add to the overall girth of your member. This means that the circumference will get larger and hence, your girlfriend will love you even more. Nothing will be able to get you down, pun intended, and you will realize that everything will fall into place on its own. This is what you should expect when you increase penis size. If you are wondering what a small penis size means exactly, it can mean that the length of your penis is less than 6 inches, which means that the girth is less than 6.5 inches. If you increase penis size, your penis length will ultimately be about 8 inches and the girth, at least 9 inches. Now, if that doesn't make you happy, what will? Won't the products in the market help to increase penis size? You may not believe me, but trust me when I tell you that these products will not work to increase penis size. Use your common sense. How can you increase penis size by using extenders or oils? It's like saying that if somebody pulls your legs for a month, you will get taller. That doesn't make sense, does it? So why would you believe that you can increase penis size with something called extenders? Same with oils. How can you possibly expect an ointment to increase penis size? The fact of the matter is that if you think long and hard for a minute, you will realize that these products are nothing but big scams to make people very poor. All your questions will be answered because, honestly, they don't work. Sadly enough, if you are new to the wonderful world of cyberspace, you will not be able to smell out a scam. You will gladly walk into the open trap and walk out extremely bewildered and armed with some pills and supplements that will definitely not work. The positive stories are nothing but fictitious accounts written by website owners who want to sell their products. So if something sounds like it is too good to be true, it definitely is. So trust your instinct and only go for that method that has a good number of satisfied customers attached to it. Increase penis size with biochemical penis enlargement. The entire concept of penis enlargement came about when scientists decided to create a product for those men who had micropenises, which basically means that their penises were about 1 inch long. They created pills and supplements for them and they worked for a while, but after a while, they stopped showing results. That's when they realized that there should be another form of treatment that they could look into. The theory of biochemical penis enlargement is a new one that talks about penis growth that begins during puberty and stops after a certain stage. This is because there is a chain of nutrients and biochemicals in the body that makes sure that these changes take place, but after a certain point, some biochemicals or nutrients are removed, which is when the boy becomes post-pubescent. Biochemical penis enlargement says that if these biochemicals or nutrients can be replaced, penis growth will restart and hence, every man will be able to increase penis size. There is absolutely no catch here because the method is 100% natural. The body needs to be told what to do at every step of the way, and that's exactly what biochemical penis enlargement takes into consideration. Can I increase penis size? The answer is yes, you can increase penis size, because other products that claim to be natural work differently for different people. But the great thing about biochemical penis enlargement is that it works alongside other bodily functions so that it can lead to growth in a natural and safe manner. Just like a swimmer needs to make sure that his muscles aren't cramped and that he is good shape before a tournament, A similar theory applies for penis enlargement. You can do what you want and use every external resource available in the market, but you will not see results until and unless you make sure that your internals work in conjunctions with the external resources. So as long as you do everything that is necessary, biochemical penis enlargement will work for you to increase penis size. You can do some exercises and use weights and pumps after the treatment is over, but keep in mind that they can be quite dangerous, so until and unless you have a medical professional helping you, don't do it. Biochemical penis enlargement to increase penis size makes perfect sense, which is why it works as well as it does. You shouldn't waste your time using the above-mentioned products or putting your body under the stress of weights and pumps when you know that this concept will work wonders for you and help you to dramatically increase penis size.